This looks good. I mean, look at this. This is crazy. This is just a ditch on the side of the road. Something went after it. There we go. We got something. Oh, he's got me in the weeds. Oh, it came off. No. Oh my goodness, look at that bass. There's a huge bass in there. Oh, look at that. Here we go. This is gonna be our first fish. Look at that. That's a huge green sunfish for this creek. This guy crunched it. This little guy crunched it. And like I said, we are in the middle of town right now. There's a little plaza that I'm in. That's wild. All right, we're gonna let this green sunfish go. Put him in this so he doesn't spook any of the other fish. Try to get another one. Oh. Got him. There we go. There we go. Oh my goodness, look at this. Look at this, another good, healthy green sunfish. That is crazy. He was really dark too. Those are huge bass in there. Huge. Oh, someone swiped that up. Give me a bass. Oh, I got something. I don't know what it is. Whoa. Look at this. Look at that. Crazy colors on him. But he has like a hint of blue up here. I don't know if y'all see that. But we're gonna toss him back in. Whoa, he even looks blue in the water. I don't know if y'all can see him. We're gonna throw another cast in there though. What I call a reaction strike or a reaction bite is when they don't bite unless something else tries to go for it. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, he ate it. I got him. This is a bass. Yes. Look at this. This guy is a baby compared to what's in there. I mean, it's a small largemouth, but he is a baby compared to what's in there. I think the bass that I'm seeing in there is every bit of 2.5. Oh, hit that, hit that, hit that, hit that, hit that. Got him. Got him. No. Popped out. Man, that was another bass. Another largemouth. I don't know how it come out. Come on, somebody hit it. Somebody hit it. Got him. Got him. I think it's another green sunfish. Whoa, this one looks wild. This one don't look as crazy as that blue one. Still really cool though. Really wild. Got him. There we go. They always go to the same spot over here. They always go to the same spot. Man, this one's heavy. This is a big one. I mean, just look how crazy they look in here. Really dark. Man, that's crazy. We've seen a lot of different colors of green sunfish, I think. The only thing I've caught is some green sunfish and largemouth bass so far, but I've seen a smallie. I've seen a huge largemouth. Oh, he might hit it. Oh, got him. Got him. Look at that. Look at that. Oh. I got another little largemouth. It's not too bad. There was a bigger one chasing him. Not too bad. You pick it up? Got him. And there's sunfish. Oh. I want one of those bigger bass. I mean, I like the sunfish, don't get me wrong. But I just want one of those bass. And you know what? I'm definitely going to come back here at some point, and I'm definitely going to try to get one of those bass, one of those good ones. Alright, so we've switched to my light setup, and we're just going to walk up and down, see if I can find any more fish. Eat it up. Oh, I got one. There we go. What we got? Oh, look at this. Check this out. We got a little creek chub. It's actually a big one. Big creek chub. Throw him back in. Look at this little spring. Right there's sunfish. Oh, I got something. Here we go. Another creek chub. We got another creek chub. Oh, there he goes. A little bit. Yeah. I think that's going to be it for today. I'm definitely going to come back and try to get that big largemouth. He just wouldn't hit anything I threw. I threw a couple things at him, swim baits, a Ned rigs. I threw a crankbait at him. He's just not eating today. Or not eating my stuff. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'm about to get out of here, and I will see y'all in the next one.